is Modesty and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you are returning, and if you're new, how are you guys? Welcome. If you want to stick around, if you do, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you miss any of my uploads. But as you guys can see by the title, I'm doing a haul today. I just want to do something chill, relax. It's been sitting on my desk for a few days because I've been waiting for a couple of Ulta orders to come in. But you know, when you live in Hawaii, you never know. And so I had to make some phone calls today. And yeah, so I'm just going to do an Ulta haul today, and I'll tell you guys the other 3 things I ordered that are on their way. But we'll just dive right into it. So you guys know that I do sell unique makeup, but I do also like to play around with other things because I love to review products, try things out, everything like that. Now, you know, everything on my face is from Unique, but I do like to splurge a little and try out other things. So I'm gonna just dive right in the bag. Most of it's drugstore, a lot of e.l.f. stuff, and then a few other things where I'm just like, oh, gotta have that, you know? So the first thing is actually something I couldn't wait to use. I've been seeing these like more velvety sponges, and oh my god, you guys, I'm like obsessed. This was $4, it's from e.l.f. It's a total, I think, face and body sponge or whatever. You can use it dry or wet, and oh, it's like literally the best sponge I've ever used. So that's just my little review on that, but it's incredible. I had to try it out. I freaking love it. All right, now let's dive into other stuff. So I'm gonna just start pulling things out. So I did pick up the Tribe by Devious palette. I really love her formula, and this one looked kind of, I wanted like a new palette for the fall time to try out for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually let me know if you guys want me to review this for you guys, or like do a dedicated video. I know that there was like some sort of, I don't really keep up with drama, but there was like some sort of controversy involving Devious. I'm not entirely sure exactly what it was, but if you guys want to see it, let me know and I'll do it. So here is the Tribe by Devious. I love the packaging on this one, super bright and fun. But I love these colors. I wanted to do a little bit more colorful fall looks, so that aren't like bright and springy, but you can still play around with some color and still get nice fall look with these. So I had a couple of looks in mind, so I think I'm going to be using this in a couple of tutorials. They were just, I love her formula, and I had to, ooh, this feels different. Anyway, but there's that one shade. This is, ooh, this will be a really good like cheek highlight. Oh, it's a duochrome. Ooh, pretty. I was really intrigued though. Really what drove me in were, you guys can probably guess, you guys know I like the Subculture palette if you guys have been following me. These 2 shades really like sucked me in because these are the 2 similar shades to what I love from the Subculture palette. So when I saw these 2, I was like, yes, give them to me. Oh my lord, I cannot wait to play around with those. So picked up this palette and I cannot wait to use it in a video. Next is from e.l.f. This is the Metallic Flare Highlighter in white gold. e.l.f. is really, like, e.l.f. has already been pretty good, but like they are stepping it up even more than they already have been. So I'm just swatching things today, but I'm actually gonna do like a first impressions, like full face or whatever. So I do want to swatch it though. Oh, that is not as soft as I expected it to be. Ooh. I mean, it's very reflective. It just feels dry, but then it's like, it's reflective. Okay, so this one, I can't wait. I'm actually curious about this because it does feel like really dry. Maybe it's just the first layer. Let's see if it shows up. This is like a ghost highlighter, you guys. It's like, you don't see it and you don't feel like you're picking up pigment, but then it's like, boom, I'm here. That is intriguing. Like, you know, usually you swatch and they're like, oh, this is gonna be good, or oh, this is gonna be terrible. I'll be honest, when I swatch, I'm like, this is gonna be terrible. But this is actually pretty good. It's definitely not like what I thought it would be, but I mean, it's pretty good. I gotta wrap my head around it. Anyways, next. More e.l.f. Where'd it go? Oh, well, here's the box. My daughter was going through it. Here it is. I picked up the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in Neutral Brown. I love trying out new brow products. I mean, I've already found like my ride or die one, but it's nice to try out other super affordable options for you guys. So this is the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Liner. We'll see how I like that. Then I picked up the Wow Brow in Neutral Brown. It's a volumizing fiber gel for your brows. I was really curious about this as well, so I figured I could do like a little first impressions brow thing using e.l.f. brow products. That'd be a fun video, I think. So I picked up that. Look, most of my drugstore stuff is from e.l.f., okay? I was going crazy in the e.l.f. section. All right, so I've never tried out their liquid lipstick formula. So I picked up two. I picked up the shade Red Vixen, and then I picked up the shade, what is the name of this shade? Will someone tell me, or is it a secret? Why is the packaging like so different? I really want to know what color this is. Anyway, well, it's like a nude shade. Let me swatch them because I have no idea what shade this is. So I just want to see, like, come off. Sorry, you guys. Ew. Ew! What is wrong with this thing? Okay, hang on. There's like liquid coming out of it. Ew, it's all oily now. Gross. What is happening here? Ugh. There's like literally like liquid all over the place. Hang on, let me clean that up. Well, there's the shade. It's just a pretty like lip color, kind of on the more neutral cool tone side. I'll try that out, but that was gross. Okay, moving on to the next shade, which was the Red Vixen shade. I feel like I should shake these. And that is Red Vixen. So I can try that out for like a, or use this in like a fall look. We'll see. So I've been trying to get on like the shimmery lip gloss like bandwagon. This is the Lip Plumping Gloss in Champagne Glam, also from e.l.f. And I was curious about this one. Oh, it smells like candy. It's pretty. I want to see it on its own though, but that's pretty. Ooh, spicy. Okay, so I did get these three lip products. I got these three lip products from e.l.f. as well. And that was it for the e.l.f. stuff. I have three more things. So then I wanted to try out this Catrice Triangle Artist Contour Stick. It just kind of like, the packaging kind of drew me in. It was like really just like, come to me. So I grabbed it and I was like, okay. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Let's see. Want to see what it looks. Oh wow, I thought this would be like dry. That's really creamy. Holy guacamole. Okay, so I'm excited for like what, drugstore first impressions. What do you guys think? Let me know. Worth it? Whew, that is a struggle. Okay, struggle bus. Okay, so the last two items are not drugstore items. I'm gonna mention things I ordered online, which y'all, I'm definitely doing videos on, that's why I ordered them. But I wanted just a really good new nude for the fall and the winter, even though there's no fall or winter here in Hawaii. But this is from Nars. I've never owned just like a Nars lipstick. So I wanted to treat myself to a Nars lipstick. And I sat there like tried to decide what nude I wanted. And this shade, like I kind of settled on. It's in the shade Pigale. I know I'm pronouncing that wrong, you guys. I apologize. But this is a matte. And I'm running out of areas to swatch. There it is right there. Really pretty. It's a really good nude, but it's a little bit deeper for the fall and the winter. So I picked up that shade. And it's like my first Nars lipstick, so I'm kind of excited. Ooh. And then this thing was like, it just kind of like stuck out to me. There's this brand called Sugar Rush by Tarte. So it's like the cruelty-free vegan version by Tarte. And a Fresh and Frosted highlighter palette. Pink. Okay, but anyways, so I just saw it sitting there. Sometimes like when I'm walking through Ulta or Sephora, I'm just like swatching random things. And I swatched this and it was one of those things where I was like, you know, like I had to jump back. I was like, okay, I need that. Ooh, my lips are plumping. I feel that. Look at this. So it already looks pretty, but then it's like, you can feel like the highlighter is like wet. So I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand. Do all three of them so you can see them. But I'm gonna play around with this. Oh, these are so reflective. Oh, you really gotta go light-handed with these because I know, you know what? Do we play now? We play now. I'm just gonna be doused in highlighter. Or, you know what? I'm gonna live my best life and just douse myself in highlighter. Yeah, barely just. And you are like, geez Louise. That's like barely like touching in there. And it's like, bing! I thought that, what is it called again? I thought that Ofra highlighters were just like, psh. No, this is like highlighter. Like, you gotta take it easy. You definitely have to like have a light hand with this highlighter, otherwise it's just gonna be too much, I think. Although I'm blending it with this sponge on my hand, I feel like that would be super pretty as well. Just the damp sponge and applying a little highlighter. I'm gonna try that out. I have a lot of ideas, okay? So those are the things that are in the bag right now. Now what I do have coming in the mail, I want to wait and actually show you guys on camera, but I have 3 separate videos coming. So I ordered the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I love all the Anastasia palettes. So I ordered that one. That one should be in the mail today, but I already know it's not gonna happen because it just left LA like 4 hours ago. Anyway, so I ordered that, and also in that package is the Jeffree Star palette with Morphe. So that one is coming in the mail as well. That's one package, so I'm gonna do, that's 2 videos right there. Then the third one that is supposed, well, the third item or second package is supposed to be coming in the mail is I ordered the brand new Anastasia Norvina Artistry pressed pigment palette. So that is coming in the mail as well, all from Ulta. So that is my Ulta haul. Lots of videos coming to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know specifically from here what you guys want to see, what you don't want to see. If there's anything that I haven't thought of that you might want to see, let me know. But yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with me while I showed you guys what I ordered. But I'm gonna get going. I love you guys, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, thumbs up, and also the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Goodbye.